Having trouble updating your iPhone's operating system? Here's what to do. Check update compatibility. Every iPhone model has a limited upgrade capacity due to technology differences. You can check online if your model is compatible with a specific update. Your region is also a significant factor in getting updates. It dictates when the update will be available to you. When the latest update is released, you can find information online on when it will be available in your region. Check your network connection. If the internet keeps disconnecting and crashing, reset it. Swipe down from the top right corner on iPhones with Face ID. Swipe up from the middle bottom on iPhones with the Home button. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. After a few seconds, turn off the airplane mode and wait for iPhone to connect to Wi-Fi. Now try to update again. Charge device battery. To update the operating system, the iPhone is required to have at least 50% charge. Otherwise, it won't even start the process. Clear your storage. Open the Settings app and go to General. Tap iPhone Storage. If the storage is full, go through your files and apps and delete what you don't need to make space for the update. Re-download the update file. Open iPhone Settings and tap General. Go to iPhone Storage. Find the iOS update file, select and delete it. Return to General Settings and tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install to download the file again and install the update. Install the update manually. Go to the Settings app. Tap General and go to Software Update. Select Install Now and the update should start. Force restart your device. Quickly press the volume up button located on the left side of your iPhone. Then, quickly press the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Reset network settings. Go to Settings and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Update with Mac or PC. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC with a cable. On Mac, open Finder and click on your device name. On PC, open iTunes and click the device icon. If connecting for the first time, click Trust. Open your iPhone, tap Trust, and enter the appropriate passcode. In Finder, go to the General section and click Update. In iTunes, go to the Summary section and click Update. Follow the instructions on the screen. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.